I've been very fortunate to have a lot of people play a role in my life that's helped make me who I am today. Whether it's been my parents, whether it's been my extended family, whether it's been my communities I've been able to be part of, they've taken a responsibility and a role in helping raise me. So it's just left me with the perspective that I have a responsibility to do that for others. It's the right thing to do, to be servants of each other. It leads to a better place. One of the things that happened that I loved to get a chance to do when over my summers from university, there was a local community club, and I used to remember going to that community club to go play sports and other things to, I guess, keep out of trouble. When I had the chance coming back, I made sure that I volunteered my time there, and I had a chance to spend time and interact with a lot of kids. And it was a great way to be able to give back to the community. So that was important to me. When I lived in Brazil, my family and I became big supporters and help of a program that worked on at an orphanage. And we spent time with those programs. One of the things that we used to do was every year help coordinate an event where we brought together that orphanage and a few other groups together for a fun outdoor day. Seeing their eyes light up and what that experience meant to them, followed up with then providing them new clothes, new school packages and equipment. Just for us, it brought so much joy. I think we were the ones who got more joy out of it than they did. So I personally give back in a couple of ways. One of the groups that's played a big role in my life is the Boys and Girls Clubs of America. I sit on one of their national trustees, and I take a lot of pride in that. Giving back in those kinds of ways just continues to reinforce it for me. And at the end of the day, I just feel good. I feel good. It makes me happy. When someone's able to say to you, thank you. Cummins does an incredible job in making this part of our identity. Our corporate responsibility through the various programs that we offer is just truly unique. What we do makes a huge difference to the lives and the communities we're in. We're making the communities we're in better. And that's something that gives me a lot of joy. It's also an expectation. It's not a guideline, but it's an expectation that if you are an employee of Cummins, that you're expected to spend part of your time giving. I would just continue to remind us that there's so many different ways that we can give back. Some of it might be financial, and that makes a big difference. It absolutely helps. I know our time is valuable, but being able to provide that is a huge difference. I started as a person who got a chance to give back in various communities. I saw what that could do, but I also, when I was on the other side of receiving volunteers, oh man, it was huge. It enables those organizations to do the work that they do. So please don't ever think that what you're doing is too small. It is a huge difference. And I really encourage you to be able to take advantage. If you can do all of them, it's great, but do one, do something out there and make it meaningful.